See these tire tracks right here? That's Jim Vick trespassing. Boy, he almost took out the fence as he was going back to his house. Over here in his truck stealing stuff now. Yeah, them tire tracks go right in there. Right into Psycho Ranch where the thieves live. And back over here where he drove on my property. See, private property. Slow children at play. This is the gate post from the last gate we had here that they ripped out of the ground with their tractor. Here's what's left of the concrete. There's these little tracks driving out on my property. I don't know what he was doing out here, probably trying to steal something again.